Well, good morning, boys and girls. It is February the 5th, and it is 9:30. They have just got through doing minor surgery. This is what they refer to as a PICC line. That line goes into my arm there, just under my armpit, and it winds all the way up through here, and it comes into the vena cava just above the heart. That's what I have to suffer through, is that damn thing, for the next 2 months in an attempt to save my foot. That, and I have to sit in a nursing home while they pump medications into me 3 times a damn day through this thing. Not fun. And I'm told basically I'm a prisoner. I'm not allowed to leave the nursing home, not allowed to leave the hospital unless they tell me I'm to go. For somebody who's as an independent soul as I am, that is not a good thing. Just thought I'd share this thought. Now I'm going to go have a couple cups of coffee because I've got a pounding headache. Peace out.
By the way, don't forget to